Good evening, Northeast 8 Nagamis News viewers kan ajilaga main headlines. Constitution 131st Amendment Bill 2026 pass nohato country or constitution nimite ekta dangor victory ase koikna Congress General Secretary Priyanka Gandhi Vadrapra aji jonadishi. Manipur laga pasta district e internet ban thakato aji khulidishi. Iran US Sakhanaga port pra ban uthai nadia nimite arobi ekbar Strait of Hormuz to bon koi dikina strict control dalidishi. Assam Police pra Chirang mob attack case se aji 15 June ke arrest krishi. Nagaland Lok Sabha Member of Parliament Supung Marin Jamir pra delimitation process to ki ase koile to population manukima nase to hisapte takhan ke represent kurble representative elect kura ke koi Ito Constitution laga 106 Amendment Act 2023 under Maki Manu laga Reservation Act logote milai dia opor concern junadishi. Jamir junashi ki tai Maki Manu laga reservation support kore hoilibi ito to delimitation laga process nimite deri na kurble lage koishi Article 82 or 170 Clause 3 cite kore kina tai junashi ki delimitation to 2026 pichite nutun census data release kra pichite hi hubule paribo koikina warn krise ki itu delimitation ar maki manulaga reservation iman joldi ekta kuri dia pra constitution against janishna hubo koikina state krise Jamir Junashi ki judi Nagaland milakina northeast region te parliament seats change kuri dile itu pra naga groups or government of India majute framework agreement or agreed terms nishna important agreements agete prabona kina thaka khan against na hoile dictar na hobole lagi koishe tai warn koishe ki tia thaka approach pra naga political settlement e promise koi kina thaka khan kamzor hoi jabole pare aru itu pra unfair representation bi hobole pare koi kina junadashi Jamir Junashi ki situation itu pra government urgency dekha kina ek nakura sabole pai koi kina government ke bill to sob concerned groups logote bhal pra kotha kore kina review kore kina bill te ki budli korble ase budli korble junadishi itu bill opor ja kali pass koribo karne parliament e vote loise hoilebi vote pra napunchi kina fail hoishi itu to 12 sal bitor prime minister Narendra Modi led BJP government pra law budli korble kurate parliament pra approve nakura first time ola hoise kote bill to pass koribo nimite 2/3 majority lagi thakishe hoilebi khali 298 members of parliament pra bill nimite vote korishe ar 230 MPs pra against korishe Congress General Secretary Priyanka Gandhi Vadrapra bi aji junashi ki center itu bill pass korikina allegedly federal system to budli korikina democracy kamzor korble koshish kurai to bar opposition khan ekta hoikina against kura pra rukhabole parishi koikina junadashi New Delhi te press conference address koikina Priyanka junashi ki to result to constitution our country nimite ekta victory ase koikina government bill takhan laga political lab nimite chola accuse korishe Gandhi pra maiki manu laga reservation bill to delimitation nishna dusra condition logote na milaikina joldi reintroduce korikina implement korble urge korishe bill itu fail ho majute aji rati prime minister Narendra Modi nation ke 8 baji adhate address kotha korble ase Manipur government pra law aru order situation aru public duk pai thaka to sob review kora pichte Pasta district Imphal West Imphal East Thobul Kakching aru Bishnupur te mobile internet or data services temporary suspend bond korikina rakhato aji khuli dishe restrictions to April 7 tarik din security situation sensitive thaka nimite 3 din nimite impose korishe aru itu pichte aru extend kori dishe officials janashiki decision itu to ground situation bhal pra sa pichte aru shutdown pra courts healthcare facilities educational institutions or essential services khanti dictar ha nimite loishi koishe government pra citizens ke internet services to responsibly cholabole urge korikina warn koishe ki ulta fale cholaile age jaikina arobi restrictions lagabole olabo koikina junadishi International news se Iran ceasefire time Strait of Hormuz junto saman supply korbo nimite ekta important pani laga rasta ase itute ships kan ke free pra jabole allow koribo koikina koa pichte aji decision to aru budli kori dikina rasta itute strict control dalidishi military junashi ki rasta to United States Iran laga port khante pra ban uthai dikina Iranian ships ke aram te berabole nadia tak bon thakibo koishe Iran laga military or Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps junashi ki US laga action to piracy ase koishe junto matlab US illegally ships ke rukhai ase koi kina junadeshe itu to ja kalihi Iran aru Donald Trump pra street to kholi dishe koi kina claim krapichte ahalaga ase situation to ityata clear nai kote Pakistan naga army chief Asim Munir Islamabad talks fail hopichte aru bi US Iran ceasefire to age lui jabo nimite Iran visit kurishe Pakistan naga Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif and Foreign Minister Ishaq Darby regional cooperation bhal ola kuribo nimite Saudi Arabia, Qatar and Turkey visit kurikinasi. Jakali Assam laga Chirang district Runi Khata area India Bhutan border osor eviction drive lopichte forest personal and Adivasi protesters majute jamala hoikina mob pra Runi Khata forest range office attack ralaga connection te police praji 15 June ke arrest kurishe mob khan allegedly jaga to biya kori dikna hatyar loot kurishe aur government gari julai dishi koikna police prajuna dishi district security ekdom bishi kori dikna ase kote Chirang senior superintendent of police SSP Mohanlal Mina junaishi ki manukun involved takishe takan against strict action lubule ase koishe officials hisabte jamala to Thursday din ekdom rati eviction operation Ripu Chirang reserve forest lo time locals bishi ke takan allegedly encroach korikina illegally mati clear kora nimite detain kora pichte hwa laga ase koishe kote manu bishi rati phale jama korikina takan ke release koribole demand korishe kote ku jamala na hoikina disperse korishe hoilebi next dinte manu bishi ola jama korikina khuri durikina office attack kora pichte situation to biya ola hoishe koikina junadeshe situation to ekdam biya ola hwa nimite Assam government pra Chirang aru Kokrachhar district te mobile internet services suspend bond kuridishi or section 163 under prohibitory orders imposed kuridikina ase